as we are discussing the noun, in the following nouns, the inner words are changed to make them plural in the form. As for example, man is there, then what do we make the plural? Men. Mouse, mice, woman, woman, horses, horses, foot, feet, goose, geese, tooth, teeth, lush, lice, child, children, ox, oxen. Okay, so in this way we come to learn that these are the rules. Suppose brethren is there, a new word is there, brethren, members of society, clothes, brethren, members of society, clothes, unstitched clothes, die, dice, stamps, dice, stamps for printing and coining, dice, small cubes used in games, indices, tables of contents in a book, indices, signs used in algebra. Now some special typical pronoun nouns. Some nouns ending in um are singular. They are made plural by replacing um by a. As for example, datum. So datum is made as a data. Dictum. Dictum is known as a dicta. Stratum. Stratum is known as strata. Ovum is known as ova. Memorandum is known as memoranda. Agendum is known as agenda. So got it? Now what happened to students? In some nouns end in us and they are made plural by us by I. As for example, radius. So what is the plural of radius, students? The plural of the radius is radii. The plural of radius is radii and the syllabus is syllabus. Analysis, analysis, crisis, crisis, hypothesis, hypothesis, basis, basis, thesis, thesis. Phenomenon, phenomena, criterion, criteria. Okay. So in this way we learn how to make singular to plural in the case of noun. Understand? When a noun ends in hissing sound, then s is not added after apostrophe s. As for example, for peace, for conscience, for goodness sake, for Ganesh idol, for Jesus sake, God's sake. So in this way, today we had learned the noun. Now we are going to do some exercises related to nouns. Suppose your sentence is, what you have to do, I will speak the sentence and you will find the error. My sister, it's just a noun error only. My sister has read pages after pages of the Bible. My sister has read pages after pages of the Bible. My sister has read pages after pages of a Bible. Students, in this sentence what happened? I have used pages after pages, which is wrong. What will the correct one? The correct one will be page after page. What is the rule behind that? If a noun comes on the either side of the preposition, the noun will come in singular form. The noun will come in singular form. Okay. Suppose I went to the temple with my parents, aunts and cousin sisters. I went to the temple with my parents, aunts and cousin sisters. So already I told you that in noun there is not any cousin sister. What is the correct word? Correct word is cousin. So I went to the temple with my parents, aunts and cousin. He takes pain over his work. He takes pain over his work. Got it? So in this way we have seen some words, some sentences. Suppose the fourth one, the manager put forward a number of quotations for the post. A number of quotations for the post. So there is not any word for the quotations, it's just a criteria. It's just a word. And what was the word, students? Criteria. Okay, what is the word, students? Criteria. Number 5th, I like the poetries of Byron and Shelley. I like the poetries of Byron and Shelley. So in this sentence what happened? Poetry is an uncountable noun, hence it is singular and it does not have any plural form. It does not have any plural form. Got that? Next is the beautiful surroundings of the place enchanted me. The beautiful surroundings of the place enchanted me. 6. So surrounding is the ing form of the verb surrounded. It means the area surrounded by someone or something. Number 7. The sceneries of Kashmir is very charming. The sceneries of the Kashmir is very charming. So you have changed the sceneries into scenery. So scenery is an uncountable noun. Scenery is an uncountable noun. So in this way, we have seen some errors also related to nouns. Okay. Now again we will continue. Suppose the singular word is air. Then what will the plural? Airs. Return, returns. Force, forces. Errand, errands. Shan, shans. Abuse, abuses. Good, goods. Water, waters. Work, works. Fruit, fruits. Wheat, wheats. Custom, customs. Manner, manners. Pain, pains. Quarter, quarters. Later, laters. Understood? I'm just revising all the things. Brother-in-law, brothers-in-law, bedroom, bedrooms, commander-in-chief, commanders-in-chief, stepdaughter, stepdaughters, maid-servant, maid-servants, peahen, peahen, peacock, peacocks, mother-in-law, mothers-in-law, sister-in-law, sisters-in-law, member of parliament, members of parliament, man-hater, man-haters, woman-lover, woman-lovers, man-lovers, man-lovers. Got it? Belief, beliefs, safe, safes, chief, chiefs, gulf, gulfs, scarf, scarves, grief, griefs, cleave, cleaves, turf, turfs, dwarf, dwarfs, roof, roofs, brief, briefs, bee, bees, portfolio, portfolios, radio, radios, tree, trees, Jew, Jews, ooze, ooze, cry, cries, city, cities, country, countries, reply, replies, family, families, lorry, lorries, pony, ponies. Calf, calves, wolf, wolves, self, selves, thief, thieves, knife, knives, wife, wives, leaf, leaves, half, halves, life, lives, loaf, loaves. Administrator, administratics, lad, lash, sultan, sultana, brother, sister, dog, beach, earl, countess, gender, goose, horse, mare, man, woman, sheep, eve, uncle, aunt, ox, cow, hero, heroine, bachelor, mad, cook, hen, drawn, bee, father, mother, gentleman, lady, husband, wife, male, female, sir, madam, wizard, witch, executor, executrix, prosecutor, prosecutrix, bore, sow, cold, filly, buck, doe, monk, nun, heart, rui, king, queen, Mr., miss, son, daughter, fox, vixen, seizure, caesarina, testator, testrix, boy, girl, drag, duck, drag, duck, bull, cow, bridegroom, bride, he, she, lord, lady, nephew, nice, widower, widow. Today we are just revising, student. Just author, authoress, Jew, jurist, poet, poetess, spared, spared, heir, heiress, priest, priestess, host, hostess, mayor, mayoress, tutor, tutoress, gent, gentess, lion, lioness, tailor, tailoress, actor, actress, hunter, huntress, waiter, waitress, negoro, negeress, director, directress, benefactor, benefactress, prince, princess, ambassador, ambassadress, tiger, tigress, emperor, empress, duke, duchess, master, mistress, governor, governess, god, goddess, sorcerer, sorceress, manservant, maidservant, buck racket, doe racket, he bear, she bear, headmaster, headmistress, postmaster, postmistress, landlord, landlady, he got, she got, dog wolf, bitch wolf, grandson, granddaughter, father-in-law, mother-in-law, washerman, washerwoman, brother-in-law, sister-in-law, jackass, genius, milkman, milkmaid, peacock, peahen, stepfather, stepmother, cock sparrow, hen sparrow, stepbrother, stepsister, bull calf, cow calf. Okay, now some words we will also revise. A band of musicians, a board of directors, a baby of girls, women's, a bunch of grapes, keys, a bundle of sticks, a caravan of merchants, a chain of mountains, a choir of singers, a class of students, a clump of trees, a code of laws, a cluster of stars, a company of soldiers, a convoy of sheep, a course of lectures, a crew of sailors, a crowd of people, a curriculum of studies, a flight of a step, a fleet of sheep, a flock of geese, a gang of robbers, a garland of flowers, a heap of ruins, a herd of cattle, a litter of pippies, a pack of hounds, a pair of shoes, a series of events, a sheep of corn, a swarm of ants, a train of carriages, a troop of horses, a valley of suits. Got that? Now listen once again, students. Some words. Never say cousin brother. What is what? Cousin. Pickpocketer, there is not any word. Pickpocket. Good name, name. Big blunder, blunder. Strong breeze, strong wind. Bad dream, nightmare. Proudy, proud. According to me, there is not an according to me. What you have to write? In my opinion. Okay, now there are some words where we are confused. As for example, floor. Floor means the flat surface of a room, and the ground means surface of the earth. Ground means the surface of the earth. Skills means we acquire it by learning. Talent means a natural ability. Envy means a wish to possess. Jealous means a feeling that arises out. Got that? So in this way, we have revised all the things of the noun. Okay, just a little bit revision. What are the words? Scenery, poetry, furniture, advice, information, hair, business, mischief, braid, stationery, crockery, luggage, baggage, postage, knowledge, vestige, jewelry, breakage, equipment, evidence, work, news, percentage, dot, dust, traffic, electricity, music, confectionery, poetry, bakery, behavior, fuel, and cost are uncountable nouns, and hence will take singular verb. So always use with what? Singular verb. And don't use articles with these nouns, a and when, many and few members. Okay, got it? So again, we will enjoy the video again on the same time at 9:30. So again, be prepared for tomorrow videos. For today, it is sufficient. Okay, on the same channel.